Stanley the puppy tries his best to look innocent after eating an ink pad he scrounged from a bin bag. Mom of 3 Gemma Ellis, 34, could not help but laugh, despite the mess her 4-month-old Labrador. The nurse, who'd been decorating her Rotherham home, said, "I laughed about it for a bit and thought I better get him cleaned up and got him in the bath straight away and washed it all off him. Luckily he came out alright. We were a bit worried at first. I thought we're going to have a pink dog for however long it took for it to come out. Thankfully it washed out pretty much straight away. I was pleased everybody got. We found it really fun